Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Catherine Niki and today I will try to teach you double bounce trick with 5 balls. Or maybe not. Let's see. First exercise, you need to learn how to do double bounce with 3 balls. Second exercise, try to do the beginning of this trick with 3 balls. After, take 5 balls and try to do the beginning with the 4 balls and after add the 5th one. As you can see, the beginning with 3 balls, it's a normal active but little bit tighter because they need to bounce 2 times. So the first 3 balls, they are going active, normal, and the 4th and the 5th, they are going between these 2 balls. When you learn how to do the beginning, after you do just more and more throws. And you will feel in which position your arms should be. My palms, they are closed, they are looking down to the floor. For me this is easier and it's easier to control. I hope to see you next video. Let me know if you like and if you need next tutorial. Bye bye!